Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to Tag Tuesday. I want to let you know that this is an open collab hosted by me and anyone can join in. You can do 1 week or every week or just drop in once in a while and do a tag video or Instagram post. Let me know and I'll link you in my description box so other people can come and check out your whatever you made. And use the hashtag Tag Tuesday. That's pretty much all there is to it. So this week I'm working on a journal and I'm working on tags for the journal. And I'm using just vintage pieces. So we're going to make a tag together in a second, but I wanted to show you what I already made in here as far as tags and what I mean by vintage pieces, right? So just vintage ephemera, okay? So like here for this first pocket, I made all these pretty much just last couple of days. So this was a flashcard. I decorated the front and just put this on here as a tab because I wanted to put it in this little side pocket, and I added some file folder on the back and distressed around it. I cut 2 little angles here. Those weren't there, so I do like to use flashcards and just different vintage things like that. So let me find my next tag. Here is another one that I just made out of. This was an airline ticket that I found at a thrift store. Pretty cool. I found 2 this day, and this is the only time I've ever found airline tickets. I thought it was pretty fun. Anyway, I added a little cluster here and some lace. I added this brown paper on the back and sewed around it, and so it could be used for writing on the back. And there you have a nice tag that you made out of a vintage just piece of ephemera. So next tag, let's see, this one here was a little rules for a dart game. Okay, this is well, I made this into a writing spot. I guess this is not really a tag, is it? Yeah. But anyway, this is something else you can do with your ephemera. I just put some writing space in here with a piece of paper that I glued on top of it and did a little decorating there. Okay, let me see if I can find a tag instead of just a journaling spot, right? Okay, yeah, here's another tag just made out of a playing card. I added some brown envelope on the back so it could be, writing space on the back and a little topper there. Let's see, and that was right here. Let's see, I know I have some more in here. Okay, anything in here? Not really. These are really drilling cards in here. Okay, and drilling spots. Let's see in here, drilling cards. Yeah, nope. Okay, here's one here out of a clue card. A clue game card. I added some writing space on the back and sewed around that and just added a little tag, a little ribbon topper there. And I think, one more here. This was like a library card, and it is, just a second, let me get out here. So I added a little tab on the top here. It's distressed around, and I added this little mushroom fussy cut here, and I added file folder on the back. This was, see these little marks right here? This is from the library, where they stamp the date when you check out a book. That's down here too. You can see a little bit of it. And that was all over the back. So I just wanted to add some more, journaling space. So I put a file folder on the back, just distressed around it. And there I have another tag made from vintage ephemera. And that's about all that's in there as far as tags so far. And I have this one that I think I got this in Happy Mail, so I was going to make this a tag and add on to here, and just glue this down, and then this one will be done. And then I'm going to make this library card into a tag, and also this little transaction receipt that I received in Happy Mail. So let's finish this one, and then we'll see what we can do on those 2. All right. So yeah. I think it's a lot of fun to, find things at thrift stores and then see what you can do with them. So I wanted a little topper on here, and there we go. That one I'm going to say is done. And so I'm going to put that over to the side. This one I'm going to glue this on, this little piece of doily that I found in my stash today. So I'm going to put this on with some, I'm going to put it on with some glue here, Fabri-Tac. And then I'm going to sew it down, but I want to put some glue on here just to get it on here so it can stay in place while I'm sewing on it. I'm putting it in the back like this so that it'll look pretty over the front, like that. All right, and it's a library card. It's a you know, 1987. I didn't want to cover up anything. See, there's lots of writing space on the back and the front, and I wanted to, you know, when I put this in the journal, I want the person that gets it to be able to see, oh, well, this is really cool. This is a library card from 1987. You know what I mean? And so then I can put another little cluster down here, like this, possibly. So you can, if you're worried about, you know, putting something on something like a tag and it being lumpy, you know, on the bottom where you feel like you maybe can't put it into a pocket, you can always paper clip it or clip it in some way onto the side of a page, or put it like in a bigger pocket like a paper bag or an envelope where you have more room, you know what I mean? So I'm going to get this down. All right, this is getting down to the bottom, maybe, I don't know. I thought I had a bunch in here. There's plenty in here. All right, so now I'm going to glue this flower on. I really just need a little bit in the middle there. Let's see, let's put it right there. Okay, so I'm going to go and sew across here, and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Just a second. Can't see my paws there. All right, so I sewed across the top with some zigzag stitching there, and I think it looks really cute. And plenty of writing room, so another tag. Now this one, I think I need some, I think it's really neat, you know, just random ephemera. This is Suburban Trust Bank, a transaction receipt, and I received that, I believe, from Joe V in Happy Mail. So let's put that on. See, it's already cardstock. I could put this paper on it. Let me see what this looks like. Back here, I can see through it, but it could still be written on. I don't know. I don't really want to see through it that much, though. It's a little bit too much on the writing there. So let me grab a piece of scrap file folder here, and I'll glue it down. Let's use, I'll put it right there and then I'll cut it out. So then we'll have writing space on the back, and then you can still see what it was, and if there's a date on here, things like that. There is a date, 80, I think this is 87. So vintage, definitely vintage. I knew it was, but I didn't remember what the date was. So very cool. All right, I'll put this down here. Okay, now we'll cut it out. Let's see, scissors. Yeah, I've been working on this journal today. So, and those tags and decorating the journal and having some crafty fun. Let's see, so, okay. Just trying to get a straight line there. Did I? I think I got a little bit more, a little bit of a strip there. I could leave it, but let me just see if I can cut a little bit more off there. Get right up against the card. And maybe I will, I could round the corners. Let me grab my corner rounder. Right here. See what it looks like with rounded corners. And I think it looks cute with rounded corners. Doesn't that look cute? Yep. Okay, and I have a little tab here I was going to use. This little green one. This is a little whale tail tab that I received from Maria in Happy Mail. Oh, and it kind of matches, doesn't it? The green there. I mean, it's not the same, but it just kind of blends together. Let's see if I can get some more Fabri-Tac out of here. I'm kind of using my Fabri-Tac. I'm wondering if it's actually less expensive. It's more, you know, than art glitter glue. I might have to figure it out ounce for ounce, you know what I mean? But it's easier to get. I mean, I order my art glitter glue from Amazon, and I just pick up the Fabri-Tac at Walmart. So, all right, so that is cute. So there's a little tag. Love it. So I wasn't going to decorate this really, because I think it's just cute just like that, and I don't think it's necessary to put any more on there. There's some glue on there, but I think that's okay. All right, so super cute. Let's do one more thing to this. Let's just distress around the edges, just because I put that file folder on and it's even, but I don't know, I can just see that two pieces. So if I distress around it, then that kind of covers that up. If you ever have that problem, just put a little ink on there and there you go. Everything blends together. Plus it distresses it and makes it look, you know, even more vintage than it is, probably. Super cute, right? And then you can decorate this if you wanted to. I kind of don't want to. I think it's cute just like it is. But you could put some flowers or Tim Holtz people on here. Whatever, anything like that. Maybe I will put a Tim Holtz person on here. I'll have to go grab my Tim Holtz people. Just a second. Maybe a Tim Holtz person would look good on here. Yep, I got them handy right here. My craft room is not that big, so everything's right around me. Maybe not on my desk, but right around me. Let's see, here's a little person. Oh, she's cute. Yeah, let's put her on there. Yes. Finish it off with a little Tim Holtz girl. I'll show you which one I picked out in just a second. And then, yeah, she looks good just like she is. I'm not going to distress her. All right. Spread the glue out. Alrighty. Put her on here, right over here. So you still see what it was. The date's over here. Cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Alrighty, that's that one. Okay, so some ideas just for using random ephemera. You know, making them into tags. You can make some cute little fun tags out of the unexpected item. And just, you know, something, and it ends up being very unique. Like there's nothing else in the world like it, right? I mean, there's nothing else in the world like this. You know what I mean? And like this. Or even like this. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll join in the collab. Like I said, anyone can join in and just have some fun crafting and making tags. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Happy crafting.